Okay. Hello guys, this is not gonna be a very perfect video. I've been thinking for so long to make a video, but I have this very shitty thing. Or should I say the words? So I feel very weird recording because I feel like I don't have the best setup, I don't have the best lighting, but you just understand as you go because it's also hard for me to understand like what to order, what lights to get or okay. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna show you my entire bangles collection, and I hope you're as excited as I am to look at them because I love it when people come to me and be like, can I show you my bangles? And I just love it. Anything, be it any sari collection, be it any collection, I would say books collection. Even if they come to me and be like, I have lighter collection, I love collections. So collection is just like my thing. So I'm not sure where to start. Where do I? My skin looks greasy. Kinda. The light is focusing on my forehead, so when I go at the back, my forehead looks yellow. It's not yellow. Just okay. Oh, it's so confusing as to where do I start from. I might end up taking it out of the video. It just I'm gonna take all my glass bangles out and then we'll move on to different kind of bangles that I own. Oh, 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 much better. What is it? Blue. It looks blue. I hope this looks a little okay. These guys suggest me, okay, mic should I get? Oh, I already have a suggestion for myself. Please tell me what kind of lights I should get. Okay. And I don't have a trap or anything. I'm very runny nose. First of all, we have these very beautiful, what color are these? Lime yellow bangles. These are the very first yellow bangles from my collection. They have this very beautiful golden detailing. I have this very beautiful pair of green bangles, which are same like the lime that I showed you, just in different color. Fourth, we have this very beautiful baby pink shade with this, I don't know, multicolored detailing on it. Same bangles, more on the coral side, the coral color, I mean. And I have this very beautiful golden detailing. Guys, please don't come up to me and tell me this is the same pink. This is a very different pinkish shade. Another with golden detailing on it. I'm trying to show you the exact color, but I don't know how much I can. They're more like pinkish and orangish shade made up. Very pretty, very good quality. This is cotton, not my cat hair. This is cotton. I know I was gonna show you the collection of bangles in yellow color, but like not the collection. I mean, I know I was gonna start with the yellow bangle one, but I have so many pink shades, so I just couldn't resist. I don't know why I got these bangles. I don't even wear them anymore. They're like sparkly, glittery. They literally have glitter texture and glitter on them. They even lose glitter when you wear them. So, yeah, very glittery. I have these in multiple colors as well. Same glitter bangles in baby pink. This is cotton, and I'm trying so hard to take this off, but I don't know. So, guys, just bear with me. This is a baby pink glittery bangle. They look a little brick colored, but they're pink in reality, like just a little darker pink. and they have this velvet coating on top of them. Another velvet top bangles just in a lighter shade. So as I'm telling you, I have many similar bangles just in different colors because yes, I buy a lot of bangles. I love bangles. Okay, these are metal light pink bangles. I saw this one video when I was like, I'm not sure, like 14 or 15, and I was just at this MV, I mean, music video, and the girl was wearing bangles like this. So I immediately got myself a pair, but I don't wear them anymore. Yeah, they're still up in my collection. I don't know what these bangles are called, but they have this tint of pink in them, which looked way too pretty in the sunlight, and I had to get them. So they look silver. They also look yellowish and orange and pink. If you can see the shade, I'm not sure. Oh, I can't keep turning the back camera on and record every bangle set. So I'm just gonna show you as it. I don't know what are they called in English, like what exact words. They're very gorgeous, but they're very like heavy and nice. These two beautiful things to add up onto any. Then my very recent purchase were these very beautiful golden bangles. I love these. They're so pretty and they're so nice. I got them from this city market in Jaipur. So pretty. And they have Vishnuji, I guess, on them. So pretty. Okay. I don't want to open this one because it gets a little chaotic. I can't wrap these. So these were also my very recent purchase. These are the Punjabi Chuda. This is for one hand. I got it specially made in pink color because they don't sell it in pink. So like I got these differently and then I had to get these set up differently with these ones. This is so pretty. I recently bought them to this one picture I posted. And I'll show you what my boyfriend got me. Since he knows that I love bangles, he keeps getting me some. So he got me these very beautiful pink colored bangles. How do I? Oh, I don't know. I hope you can see them. So there's this one pair, there's this one pair. So these are like four bangles, two for each. Okay, and my most favorite are like this pink ones. There's this. The light is from the front. They're very pretty. Okay, so another are these two are gold color. I like the golden detailing with this raisin finish something, I guess. If I'm not wrong. And these two as well. Okay, I'm not sure if I showed them to you already. And next we have, I got these from WTP. They are not really my taste, and I'm not sure why I got these. Yeah, they're my collection. Next, I have those same bangles. Again, I told you this is cotton. Those same bangles in red velvet. These are nice. I have one more. This very pretty glass red bangles. Next, we have. Remember, I showed you those glittery ones. I have those in orange as well. Okay, and then my mommy got me these glass bundles. It's gonna be such a mess once I'm done and I have to clean all of it. Now, my very frequently worn bangles, which like not anymore, like in the past, like this very rainbow bangle set. I'm gonna get a better lighting, guys. I swear. Do not unsubscribe. Do not. I don't know. It's fluttered. Do not unsubscribe. It's so pretty. I love showing collections and I love looking at collections. Look at this very beautiful color, beigeish and greenish mix. Okay, next we have very beautiful textured deep red bangles. And I love these ones as well. Well, I love all of the bangles. So now and then I have another red just in a little more darker shade so that I can match these with anything. So this is like more of a very wineish color, but on the red, not the pink wine color. And then same for those glittery ones. I have those in golden as well, and I love these. They were my go-to as well. So we're done with like two boxes at this point. Three exactly. Okay, because I forgot to count the Punjabi one had different box. Okay, so I have these two different mangas just to. Oh my god, where did this go? No wonder I'm not using these. I just forgot didn't have it anywhere. But they're so cute. I like paired them up with anything I was wearing. Can I just show you without taking them out of the box? Look at this. So I showed you these ones. These are the very beautiful, like golden rhinestone bangles, silver rhinestone. These are the textured lilac shade, or whatever you want to call it. So pretty. Again. So next, let me see. Yes, I have this whole collection of different silver bangles. So, I'll show you these very interesting bangles that I got. I don't know where to wear these. And they're so pretty. Saw them on Pinterest and I was like, I'm gonna get these. Through Ulja Vivo. Sorry about that. So nice. And to pair with these, I got like these silver bangles, crystallized. I have those rhinestone bangles and like very thin rhinestones. Sometimes you need these thin bangles to match up to pair with. Where are my very recent favorite bangles? Before we get on to those, I'm gonna show you some different. Okay. So I got this. I don't know why I got this. Another like set of like these are multicolored. This is a multicolor bangle. These are all good. So I showed you this set, the rhinestone one, just in silver. I have these in golden as well, and a few multicolored. Then I have another red bangles. Again, my boyfriend got me these. They're so pretty. Lock Kichu, they're called. Yes, on to my collection of green bangles. Okay, so I showed you. I don't remember which one I showed you. So these are different. The one I showed you in the starting did not have this texture, this the depth. These are different green bangles, and then I have same just in a little different color. Different color, you see, just a little different color. But they're so pretty as well. Next time, I'll try to make my video look more aesthetic and much more engaging. Just bear with me, guys. I'm learning, right? Just like everybody else. These are very pretty parrot colored glass bangles. I love glass bangles. I love the noise they make. I love the, what's it called? ASMR, yes, of these things. So pretty. That colors. Okay, so now backgrounds. Next we have another greenish. So the one I you remember that they look a little greenish. They're different, and these ones are different. The texture is different. They have this glittery thing, and they were like cutting all of something. So pretty. It's pretty. Another textured, very green bangles. I have these in red as well and purple as well. I showed you. So pretty. Very big of a mess. Oh, I didn't show you this one. Another set of orange bangles I have in the textured one. The green one and this orange one and red one and lilac one. Okay, what do we have next? Mm, yeah, have a few more. That's all. I got this very beautiful bangle set which you wear according to size. I'm gonna cut out this video. Set these. This. Guys, I can't do it. So something like this they look. You wear them like this for each hand and each hand, and they look so good. They're like very, very wifey feeling that you get. And then I paired these up. Used to now that it's done. Used to pair these up like this, and they used to look so good. I have this very beautiful. Where did that box go? Yeah, I love this collection. These two very pretty guru bangles. I got these from Amazon. They're so nice. They go well with everything. और जब ये खराब हो जाएंगे तो मुझे इन्हें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. It's so pretty. Love these. So I have these yellow bangles. We have textured and detailing done red bangles. So pretty. Same textured ones, bluish bangles. Another so pretty. I have this one in lightish mehendi color. Another my favorite thing. And recently I got these sea blue bangles. They're textured as well, and they're very pretty. And all of them are very pretty. So you just every time I say pretty, just think, it's just her thing. She's gonna do it. I love these ones. Just gotta say I love everything. Love these ones as well. So pretty green bangles. Oh, I forgot to place my bangles. Oh, we have two more boxes. That's all. Yes, plain red bangles. Same. Okay. Next we have, I'm gonna show it to you real quick without making it up. That's gonna take very long. I get all my bangles from this setting. I got this one made from my mom. Sometimes I borrow it, of course. I also got these two bangles, like a pair of bangles. They are very pretty. They're just like very lightish blue shade with this beautiful detailing. I don't know what are they made of. They're like, I think I bought them quite expensive. I'm not sure about the material, but they look very heavy and very good quality. My mom loved this. That was it. I hope everybody loved my collection in this video. And if you have any recommendations, and if you want me to show you my jewelry collection, if you would want that, if you want to see my sari collection, because I would love to show it. If you want to see my classics or other different looks, would love it. Okay, that was all. Bye bye. You have a great day.